interface where our students will be talking to, interacting with the industry people, those who have achieved in their life, and they are mentoring the students and guiding them in achieving their aspirations. In this journey of 2 years, there will be many such interactions. I wish Miss Manika Sambar. She is a professional development facilitator, corporate trainer, mental wellness trainer, behavioral skill mentor, motivator, and soft skills mentor. These are the things which everyone should possess in today's life to be successful, apart from having the soft skills and hard skills also, where you are going to be taught in the classroom related to the hard skills, marketing, finance, and all other skills. Those are the hard skills. But again, you need to possess, the students need to possess the soft skills, how to speak, how to interact, how to communicate, how to present your case. If you are in the marketing, you have to speak to the whole lot of people and your prospective customers also. Then again, going ahead with Manika ma'am, she worked with the Tech Mahindra Foundation, Airtel, PGCIL, that stands for Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Barclays, Ambuja Cement, and many more. And she has been awarded as a Young Philanthropic of the Year in 2018. She is an MBA and having a bachelor degree from the Delhi University. And having said that, she has a vast experience in managing students, life skills, students. Please interact with ma'am. Be lively.
So your voice is cracking. You're not audible.
Hello.
Hello? Yes, now you are audible. There was some network issue in between.
Okay. Okay. Now, I give the mic to you, ma'am. Please.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for such a warm welcome. Thank you for such a lovely introduction. So let's just begin the session. All right. So are we expecting more students?
They will keep joining, ma'am. We can start the session.
All right. All right. So I'll just share my presentation and then we'll start with the session. Just so a very good afternoon to all of you. I'm just presenting my PPT. Hello. Yeah, is it visible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great. So, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Great,
How's
ma'am.
everybody?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Very well.
Good? Excited for the new course?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, very nice to hear that. So let's start the session. Before I just start, I'll just welcome you first to this session, and I hope that this session will be fruitful for you. आप कुछ नया सीख के जाओगे आज के session के बाद, and it will definitely help you in your future. So I'll already sir has introduced me, but I'll give a short introduction of mine again, and then we'll start with the session. So this is me. My name is Manika Sambhor. I'm from Delhi. I'm a motivator, trainer, author. I have an experience of more than 6 years in trainings. So I've worked with Colgate, Tech Mahindra Foundation, Rubicon, Barclays Bank, and I've worked with multiple colleges in Delhi, outside Delhi, all over India. I've worked with a lot of colleges. And in my family, I have 3 members, and my hobbies are traveling, dancing, and reading. So this is a short introduction of mine. Now I would like all of you to introduce yourself in the chat box. So use the chat box, or you can speak and share. Write your name, any one thing you like about yourself. You can write in the chat box. Also, if you want to add your hobbies, you can. So we'll see your chats once you post them. Is it clear to you? Yes, Nitish Agarwal has written, "Good afternoon, ma'am." Good afternoon, Nitish. Okay, Shivani Gupta, good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Shivani Gupta. Okay, here I'll just make a small correction. I'm making it because it will help you in future also. Whenever we introduce ourselves, we never use the word myself. It's grammatically incorrect. Myself means apne aap. So always write my name is and not myself. And S of Shivani should be capital, G of Shivani should be in capitals. It's okay. You can introduce yourself. आप लोगों को अपना name लिखना है. You have to write any one thing which you like about yourself. You like something about yourself. कुछ अच्छा लगता है अपने बारे में. Yes. Okay, if I'll give you an example. If I have to introduce myself in the same way, so I will write, my name is Manika Shambhur, and one thing which I like about myself is that I am disciplined and I am a good motivator. This is an example. ठीक है, ऐसे आप लोगों को अपने बारे में लिखना है. You have to write your name. You have to write any one thing you like about yourself. You have 5 minutes of time to introduce yourself. Post that, we'll begin with the session. Okay, so Vipul has written, "Hey ma'am, Vipul this side. I love to travel a lot." Great, Vipul, even I love to travel. Good. I'm still waiting for others to reply. So please don't feel shy. आप लोग इस session में interact करो. Just open up and speak to me. Wherever you feel you have a question, you can raise your hand, you can ask. This session is all for you. तो आप लोग comfortable हो जाओ and just be very honest in sharing. So, Reema has written, "My name is Reema Kumari Singh. One thing I like in myself is that I'm dedicated towards my work." Excellent. That's nice to know, Reema. Good. It's good that you are aware of the fact that you have some qualities in you. Delphi Moria has written, "My name is Delphi Moria. I like one thing most about myself is I keep all my things organized." Lovely. That's a very good quality, Delphi. I ka I capital आएगा. Okay. I'm still waiting for everybody to reply. Quickly. You have just 2 more minutes to introduce yourselves now. So can I request everybody to turn on their videos? I can see Rima on the screen. I can see Shivani. But I want all of you to just switch on your videos. Uh, let's make it more interesting. Let's make the session more interesting. So for that, I really want you to be attentive. तो आप attentive होगे जब आपकी videos on होगी. Drishti, I can see you. Nice to see such lovely faces. Others, I cannot see. Nitish has already turned on his video. Lovely, Nitish. Yes, I am waiting for others also to switch on their videos. Naheed has written, "My name is Naheed Parvez. I like one thing about me is I'm punctual towards my work." Excellent. That's great, Naheed. That's a very good quality. We all should have these qualities in us. Yes, so others, can you just turn on your videos? I'm still waiting for you to switch on your videos. Yes, Naheed has switched on her video. Nice, Naheed. Yes. So don't worry about how you are looking. I know it's a Saturday, it doesn't matter. However you are looking, just feel free and turn on your videos. Yes, others, please. Nobody will judge you. Yes, Nitish Agarwal has written, my name is Nitish Agarwal. I am a BTech graduate. I'm a good listener. Superb. That's again a very good skill which you have. We all should have these skills, right? Nisha has written, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Nisha Jha. I am determined and totally loyal to my work. Excellent. You all have those good soft skills. Anyway, I'm still waiting for others to turn on their videos, so I cannot see everybody on the screen. Come on, sorry, ma'am, but my front camera is not working. All right, Nisha, if that is the case, it's fine. Be attentive in the class. Okay. I am determined and totally loyal to my work. Okay, this is written. So, how many of you are left? You just have one last minute to introduce yourself. How many are left? Quick, quick. Aman has written. Good afternoon, ma'am. You all can read from the chats. My name is Aman. I like one thing about is I'm a good listener. Super. Very nice, Aman. Vishesh has written, Vishesh Bansal. My name is Vishesh Bansal. I like one thing the most that I am disciplined in my work. Excellent. Good. Very nice to know your names and your qualities. I am still waiting for others to turn on their videos. Okay. Priyanshu has written, my name is Priyanshu Sati. The thing I like about myself is I'm very hard-working person and I'm very dedicated towards my work. Very nice, Priyanshu. Khushbu has written, hello, my name is Khushbu Jha. I have a passion for learning new things and I'm always eager to explore new topics and skills. Again, it's a very good quality. There's no age of learning, so keep learning, keep growing. Vipul has written, can I turn on my camera in 5 minutes? All right, Vipul, no worries. I think we can go ahead with our session now. So, a very good afternoon again to all of you. Are you all ready for the session? Just write R in the chat box if you all are ready. Then only I'll start with the session. I'm checking how attentive you are. Yes, quick, quick. Just write R. Okay, Nahid is ready. Rima, Kanak, Drishti, Nitish, Pratham, Shivani. Superb. I'm starting with our class. So I'll start with the class. First, I have a question for you. The question is, first of all, you have to answer me, where do you see yourself after completing your course? So after completing this PGDM course, in which position do you see yourself? ठीक है, आप कहाँ पे अपने आप को देखते हो after 2 years? We are in 2024, तो 2026 में आपका जब कोर्स कंप्लीट होगा, तो exactly at which position do you see yourself professionally, career wise? Write in the chat box. Just a simple question. आप MBA या PGDM कोई purpose से सोच के आए होगे कि मुझे ये कोर्स करना है because I want a good job. So let's say if you want a job, what kind of job you want, what kind of position you see yourself in, कुछ तो dreams होंगे, desires होंगे. Okay, so Priyanshu has written, as a financial analyst in a reputed firm. Okay, great, Priyanshu. I see myself as a marketing manager. Reema has written marketing manager. Perfect. ठीक है. Means you are very clear with your goals that okay, some of you want to go in finance, some of you want to go in marketing, others you can take your time. I'm giving you 1 minute's time. You can write in the chat box and then we'll have a discussion that how you can achieve your goals easily. कैसे आप इन goals तक पहुंच सकते हो. Again, others feel free to write in the chat box. Nobody is judging you. Aman has written, I see myself taking on managerial role and handling the management as a financial analyst. Lovely, Aman. Good to see you have some dreams, you have desires. Nitish has written, I see myself as an operations analyst. Perfect, perfect. Very good to know. Okay, you have last 30 seconds to answer this question. Manju has written, I see myself as business analyst. Wow. Very nice. So basically you have to introspect. आपको अंदर अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस कोर्स, और इस कोर्स को करके मुझे क्या पोजीशन मिलेगी. If you are clear with the position, we'll go ahead. I'm still waiting for everybody to reply. So you all have to interact in this session. Then only you'll learn something new. It's not a lecture. I'm not here to just give you any lecture. मैं सिर्फ आपसे बात करने आई हूँ, interact करने आई हूँ, just to know what are your aspirations. I see myself as a finance analyst. Drishti has written. Great, Drishti. Okay, those who have not replied, you can reply quickly. Last 10 seconds, quick. कहीं तो देखते होगे ना, एटलीस्ट कुछ तो डिजायर होगा. ये तो नहीं होगा ना कि हमें बस घर पे बैठना है आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग आवर कोर्स. ऐसा कोई है जो चाहता है कि कुछ नहीं करना मुझे? I see myself as a homemaker या just as a person doing nothing. ऐसा कोई है? You can raise your hands, it's okay. Even if you have that desire, that's fine. At least be honest in sharing. All right. So those who have answered this question, I have another question for you now. Another question is, what skills are required to achieve that position? तो जो मेरा क्वेश्चन है उसको थोड़ा सा समझना है आप सबको. Here I am asking about the skills which are required to achieve that position, and I am focusing on the soft skills. So first of all, are you clear with what are soft skills? Hanak has written, after 5 years, I see myself growth is very important for me and deeper my leadership skills. Perfect. Vishnesh has written, I see myself as financial analyst managing important portfolios of reputed companies. Superb. See, my question is, okay, Khushbu has written, I'll just read the last one and then I'll move ahead because a lot of students are writing, so it will take a lot of time. Hello, ma'am. Hello, mein O lagana bhul gaye, Khushbu. I am deeply passionate about learning and I have a keen interest in data analytics. Over the next 2 years, I am committed to developing my skills and knowledge in the field with a goal of becoming a proficient data analyst. I am excited about the opportunities to leverage data to drive meaningful insights and make informed decisions. Very nice, Khushbu. Very thoughtful of you that you have a plan for your next 2 years. Anyway, I have a question from all of you. क्या आप लोगों को पता है that there are two kinds of skills? One, hard skills. Hard skills are the ones जो आपके technical skills हैं, right? So you will be learning about finance, you will be learning about marketing, operations, human resources, everything in your course. So that your subject teachers will be teaching you. There's another category of skills which is called soft skills, or you can say people skills. क्या होते हैं soft skills? Anybody can just unmute and speak. You can guess. नहीं पता तो थोड़ा सा guess कर सकते हो, and then we'll move ahead.
Soft skills like communication skills, leadership
Yes.
skills.
Perfect. Yes. Or you can add on. Or सोचो.
Problem solving.
Yes. Exactly. You are aware of it, right? और भी एक दो है. सोच
Team
सकते हो.
spirit.
Team building. Correct. So why these skills are important? इन skills से क्या होगा? Why are we learning all these things? Are they useless? Agar useless, and then there's no point of learning these skills. But if you feel that yes, there is a meaning to it, so just share it in your own language. आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हो, you can speak in Hindi. If you're comfortable in English, you can speak in English. Just feel free and speak. क्यों हम ये skills पढ़ रहे हैं या पढ़ेंगे future में? Okay, do you want to learn these skills? Just write a yes or no. Be honest and write. Y or N आप chat box में लिख सकते हो. Okay, Reema wants to learn, Shivani wants to learn, Vipul, Drishti, great. तो अगर आप कोई चीज़, ओके आई एम नॉट रीडिंग ऑल नेम्स, अगर आप कोई स्किल लर्न करना चाहते हो तो क्यों करना चाहते हो, वी शुड हैव अ क्लैरिटी कि ठीक है ये स्किल हमें सीखना है बिकॉज इस स्किल को लर्न करके हमें कुछ बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सो व्हाट बेनिफिट विल these skills give you? General question hai. It's not like an interview. You don't have to think so much before answering. Just जो mind में आ रहा है you can share. You can unmute and share.
It
Ma'am,
will
so
help us to
Help us.
communicate in a team and solve a problem.
Correct. और anything else? आपके career में कैसे help मिलेगी? To present our thoughts in organized way. Correct. ठीक है. For better understanding of problems. ठीक है. career में जो लोग जिस पोजीशन पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं उसके लिए बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप, रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, इट डेवलप्स क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. करेक्ट. तो आप उस पोजीशन पे पहुंचने के लिए आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप लेना पड़ेगा. you'll have to appear for the interview and then you'll get a job. तो इंटरव्यू के टाइम में if you are not expressive enough, if you're not able to speak clearly, if you don't have those skills like time management, आप लेट आते हो इंटरव्यू में, so you'll not even get a chance to go for the interview. मतलब आपको रिजेक्ट कर दिया जाएगा. So coming on to the skills, what skills are required to achieve that position? तो कौन से ऐसे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं जो हेल्प करेंगे आपको उस पोजीशन पे, जो भी आपने पोजीशंस लिखी हैं चैट बॉक्स में और यू हैव इन योर माइंड, उस पोजीशन तक पहुंचने में. विच थिंग स्किल्स डू यू थिंक, आपके अकॉर्डिंग ऐसे कौन से सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं? यू कैन राइट n number of soft skills, but maybe you can just guess at least the top 3 ones or top 5 you can say. Then we'll have a discussion on some of them. Since we have limited time, so in today's class we'll just have an introduction to these skills, certain skills. I'll show you some videos. We'll have a discussion on some skills. But आप कौन से skills पे focus करना चाहते हो? Which skills are most important according to you? जो skill आपको लगता है वो आप share कर सकते हो. Okay, communication.
communication skills.
ओके रीमा, अमन, इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. तो एक स्किल तो कॉमन है जो आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि आप लोग सीखना चाहते हो और थोड़ा सा उस पर हम फोकस कर सकते हैं. अदर देन दैट और एक स्किल बताओ मुझे जो मोस्ट
Body
इम्पोर्टेंट
language.
है आपके अकॉर्डिंग.
Body language.
यस, कुड यू रिपीट?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible. Voice is little low. Can you just speak again?
I said body language.
Correct. Very nice. Team building, body language. Yes. Great. Time management. Lovely. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने इतने सारे स्किल्स लिखे, बट आज की क्लास में जो हम स्किल करने वाले हैं ना वो टॉप 3 ही करेंगे. वी डोंट हैव सो मच ऑफ टाइम दैट वी कैन डू ऑल द स्किल्स. So one skill which, again, before I show you the PPT, I have a question. It's not exactly a skill, but एक ऐसी चीज जो कम्युनिकेशन से भी पहले आती है. Let's say you have an interview. तो इंटरव्यू में आप जब जाते हो फर्स्ट चीज क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Greeting.
बिफोर यू इवन स्पीक क्या क्या सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है एज एन इंटरव्यूअर जो वो आपको जिस बेसिस पे देख रहे हैं और जज करेंगे? व्हाट?
Greeting skills.
Confidence, dress code. Yes. Vishesh has guessed it right. Even confidence, of course, but confidence तो तब आएगा ना जब आप बोलोगे, बोलने से भी पहले. इनफैक्ट वैसे कॉन्फिडेंस आपके वॉकिंग स्टाइल में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. बट येस, द फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन इज योर अपीयरेंस. क्योंकि अगर आपकी अपीयरेंस ही सही नहीं है तो द पर्सन विल नॉट इवन फील लाइक स्पीकिंग टू यू. So इससे पहले I show you the top 3 skills. Let's just see some newspaper cuttings. ये न्यूज़पेपर में कुछ सर्वे हुआ था जिसमें आया था कि not just grades, even soft skills count in job market. Shows survey. तो you can just have a look. बेंगलुरु में ये बेंगलुरु के न्यूज़पेपर्स की कटिंग्स हैं और ये कुछ हमारे न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं जिसमें लिखा था कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है आज के टाइम में फॉर एवरीबडी, नॉट जस्ट कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स. आप एक जॉब में हो तब भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, आप स्कूल में हो तब भी आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड व्हाई सॉफ्ट स्किल्स मैटर? between two employees who are equally good at their work, which one will you choose to service a client? One who is approachable, doesn't lose patience easily, communicates seamlessly, and greets everyone with a smile, or one who often turns irritable? कौन सा आप चूज करोगे? Let's say you are the employer, आपकी जॉब भी लग गई, now you are the one who has to take interviews. दो कैंडिडेट्स आते हैं, दोनों को इक्वल हार्ड स्किल्स की नॉलेज है, मीन्स दे नो अबाउट द फाइनेंस एंड मार्केटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, बट एक का एटीट्यूड ऐसा है जो इरिटेट हो रहा है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छी नहीं है, अपीयरेंस अच्छी नहीं है, एंड द सेकंड वन इज वेल ग्रूम्ड, हैविंग गुड कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, leadership skills, communication skills. Which one will you prefer?
Second one.
Why the second one?
Ma'am, because second one has a better understanding of appearance and everything.
Yes, correct. See, the hard skills which are there, वो तो आपको कोई भी जॉब में भी सिखा देंगे. They'll give you training for at least 3 months or maybe just a few months. But soft skills is something जो आपको पहले से आने चाहिए. मतलब जॉब में जाके nobody will teach you all these things because they will expect it from you that ये तो आपको पता ही होना चाहिए, obvious होना चाहिए. So what we will learn in today's session is we are going to have a discussion on these top 3 skills, elements to create first impression. So just see these 4 elements: clothing, grooming. Okay, just see the elements: clothing, grooming, vocal communication, body language, including etiquette. Talking about grooming and body language, how important it is. Grooming क्या होती है हमारी? What is grooming all about? Hindi
Ma'am,
में,
the way we talk, the way we look.
yes, our appearance, the way we dress up, means not just clothes. The way you comb your hair, आपका hair style हो गया, आपका how tidy you are, आप कितने neat and clean हो, and then क्या accessories आपने पहनी है, your overall personality जो appearance से दिखती है, your shoes, your overall head to toe जो आपके looks है. It's not about the, I'm talking about the looks you have with you, it's about how you carry yourself, right? और वो क्यों important है? अगर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ही सही नहीं होगा तो एक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बैड इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करेगा. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज, आई डोंट believe in the fact कि first impression is the last impression. You can change it of course, but first impression is always a long lasting impression. So when we look at somebody, let's say आपके सामने कोई बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल पर्सन है जिसने सूट पहना हुआ है, बिजनेस सूट पहना हुआ है, he or she is well groomed, well dressed. So what image do you get? मतलब आप क्या सोचते हो उस पर्सन के बारे में, क्या थॉट्स आते हैं? मतलब आपको ये देख के लगता है कि वो पर्सन लग रहा है देख के एजुकेटेड है? हो सकता है उसकी ज्यादा एजुकेशन नहीं भी हो, बट जस्ट बाय हिज और हर अपीयरेंस हमें लगता है कि यू नो दिस पर्सन इज वेल क्वालिफाइड, एजुकेटेड. हमें एक अच्छी सी इमेज माइंड में आती है. एंड एक पर्सन है जिसकी बहुत सारी डिग्रीज हैं बट दैट पर्सन इज नॉट कैरिंग हिमसेल्फ वेल. हो सकता है मुंह में लेट्स से बहुत सारा वो डाला हुआ है, कुछ खा रहा है, एंड ही इज स्पीकिंग, he's spilling or he's throwing garbage on the road. So what kind of image you get? या आपको क्या लगता है कि एक पर्सन जो ऐसे हरकत करेगा, आप क्या सोचोगे उसके बारे में? Would you like to go and just be friends with that person? No, because we'll just feel, you know, this person is so not so well mannered and weird. इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता हमें. So let's talk about grooming and body language. Talking about grooming and body language. Okay, we'll talk about some attire. For men, what do you think? Formal attire में क्या क्या आना चाहिए? I want everyone to participate. Amongst boys, only Vipul is participating the maximum. So others, please switch on your videos and interact. Men का attire में क्या होना चाहिए? Formal attire for men.
Ma'am, well tucked shirt. And
Well tucked shirt. Yes.
matching trouser.
Matching trouser with the shirt.
Ma'am, not with color, like something which suits with the shirt.
फॉर्मल शर्ट्स एंड पैंट्स ठीक है, वी नो कि फॉर्मल शर्ट एंड पैंट होनी चाहिए, बट सिर्फ फॉर्मल होना इनफ नहीं है. फर्स्टली इट शुड बी वेल आयरन्ड, क्रश नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्रश्ड नहीं होनी चाहिए. सेकेंडली इट शुड बी टाइडी, ऐसा नहीं कि उसके ऊपर कुछ स्पॉट्स हैं, बहुत दाग धब्बे हैं. इट शुड बी neat and clean. So I'll just show you the attire of men and women. Just see men's attire: professional, business, casual. सो कीप कलर पैलेट न्यूट्रल. तो कलर्स जो होते हैं ना वो आपको न्यूट्रल होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आप फ्लोरेसेंट ऑरेंज पहन रहे हो, फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन, या कोई बहुत डार्क और बहुत ही गॉडी कलर्स पहनो. तो टेलर्ड सूट और स्पोर्ट्स जैकेट. टाई, टाई really enhances your personality. जो मुझे लगता है, I've seen a lot of, I go in different training sessions, I see a lot of trainers wearing ties and some of them not wearing. तो जो लोग पहनते हैं ना उनको एक additional, you can say, brownie points मिलते हैं. Not that, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं पहनोगे तो बहुत बुरा लगेगा, but obviously if there are more accessories you'll look better. But at the same time you need to know कि वो accessories जो भी आप पहनते हो वो क्या कलर्स मैच कर रहे हैं विद व्हाट यू आर वेयरिंग. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने एक वाइट शर्ट पहनी है उसके ऊपर वाइट टाई, या लेट्स से ब्लू शर्ट के ऊपर एकदम ब्लू टाई. इट शुड हैव सम काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन. तो प्राइमरी सॉक्स कलर मैचेस पैंट्स कलर. ठीक है, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. ओके, somebody has just written contrast. Yes, correct. Yes, contrast is the right word. So yes, your can you see the PPT? You all can see the PPT, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है. So just see, primary socks color matches with pants color. This is an important point. यहाँ पे लोग भूल जाते हैं कि color of socks उनको याद नहीं रहता, and they sometimes they tend to wear white colored socks with a black pant, which is totally off. क्योंकि white color की जो socks होती है we usually wear when we go for jogging, when we go for sports, when we go for any physical exercise. तो कभी भी ये mistake नहीं करनी है that if you are in a professional setup, never wear white socks with your black pants या any other colored pants. White socks नहीं पहननी. Dress shoes. So again, shoes का भी color आपका contrast में होना चाहिए, matching होना चाहिए. आप कोई भी shoes नहीं पहन सकते. And you know why shoes are very important? आपके अगर shoes proper है, like they are polished, well polished, and they are neat and clean. So इससे आपकी personality के बारे में ये पता चलता है that you see everything so much in detail. Shoes हमारे last चीज है जो हमारी दिखती है पूरी appearance में, head से toe तक. But there are people who just see your shoes and then they form an opinion about you. और सबसे पहले बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हम कपड़ों से भी पहले कई लोग जिनको नॉलेज है, they just see the shoes of the person and they create an image about that person कि अगर वो person अपने ही attire को लेके conscious नहीं है तो वो क्या कुछ बड़ा करेगा. मतलब some people have this mindset that if you cannot take care of your own self, you are not aware about what you are wearing, how you are looking, so how can you take care of others? आप कैसे मैनेज करोगे बड़े क्राउड को? आप अपने लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले रहे हो अपनी अपीयरेंस को लेके, तो आप लोगों की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोगे? So coming on to more colors and textures can be incorporated. Jacket or vest can be added for a more professional look. Collared shirt. So make sure जब आप shirt पहनो, it should be a collared shirt. Or even if you are going for smart casuals, अगर आपको proper formals नहीं पहनना, because a lot of companies allow you to wear smart casuals. There is no dress code that you have to go in formals every day. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप ऐसी राउंड टी शर्ट में चले गए, टी शर्ट के ऊपर मिकी माउस बना हुआ है, टी शर्ट के ऊपर कार्टून कैरेक्टर बना हुआ है. नो, यू हैव टू गो इन स्मार्ट कैजुअल्स. सो नेक टाई इज ऑप्शनल. बेल्ट कलर शुड मैच शूज. अगेन एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. इन पॉइंट्स को नोट कर लो. जस्ट नोट इट इन योर माइंड और राइट इट समवेयर. Khaki pants or nice dress pants. These are the professional, or you can say business casual for men. Coming on to women's attire. Women का attire कैसा होना चाहिए? Again, keep color palette neutral, tailored suit, jacket or blazer, no more than 5 pieces of simple jewelry. तो नेवर ओवरडू. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि इतने हैंगिंग इयररिंग्स पहन लिए, इतने सारे आपने हैंड्स में बैंगल्स पहन ली. इट वॉन्ट लुक नाइस एट ऑल. Tailored suit pants, slacks, knee length dress or skirt. Low heels are acceptable. It's okay if you cannot carry high heels, that's fine. You can go with low heels. But make sure कि आप comfortable भी हो and you should look little graceful. तो इसीलिए थोड़ी सी heels हमेशा होनी चाहिए for women. More colors and textures can be incorporated. Jacket or cardigan can be added for a more professional look. No strapless or spaghetti strap tops. So make sure कि आप कभी professional setup में जा रहे हो, you have a meeting with a client और आप किसी कंपनी में वर्क करते हो. Avoid wearing sleeveless, avoid wearing spaghetti and strapless tops. Khaki pants, nice dress pants or fingertip length skirts. So flats or heels or less heels. Is it clear? Are you getting it? Understanding things? Shall we proceed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी का कोई doubt? Any questions you have so far?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Rima?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So if you are clear with it, so just see, fashion and personal grooming are form of expression. Trimmed haircut, कैसा आपकी look होनी चाहिए? For boys, the hair should be trimmed, clean shaved. See how handsome he is looking. Warm smile. सबसे पहले तो लोग आपके फेस पे आपकी स्माइल देखते हैं. अगर आपकी स्माइल है ना, तो कैसे भी आपकी लुक्स है, वो आपकी लुक्स को डबल ब्यूटिफाई कर देता है. Feel of confidence. So when you have a smile on your face, you do feel confident, right? So always have a lovely smile on your face. Formal dress, firm handshake. कभी कभी handshake हमें अच्छे से नहीं आता and we just do a bone breaking handshake. किसी की bone ही हम break कर देते हैं अपने handshake से, या इतना lightly करेंगे कि समझ आ जाएगा कि we are not interested. So always have a firm handshake. Correct body posture. So I would have made you do the handshake अगर ये offline class होती. So today we are not in an offline class. Otherwise ये हम सब activities personally करते. And I also particularly shake hands with all the participants जब मैं handshake कराती हूँ. Just to make you understand. So correct body posture. ठीक है. ऐसी लुक कैसी लग रही है, ये इसको देख के आपको क्या माइंड में इमेज आ रही है कि is he looking nice or bad? Yes, you can see the image on the screen, right? So are you liking his personality or not, appearance wise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just see,
ma'am.
because why we are liking it, because वो सारे points हैं जो हमने discuss किए. See his hair, his face, the smile, confidence, formal dress, correct body posture. If all these things are in you, then people will also feel attracted towards you, towards your personality. They would feel like talking to you. They will start calling you professional. So this was the first thing which is required in any professional setup. First is आपको well dressed जाना है, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, whether you're going to college, you're going for an interview, you're going for shopping, make sure you look decent enough. आपकी लुक्स ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि बहुत ओवरडू भी नहीं करना कि बहुत टू मच ऑफ मेकअप किया. जस्ट सिंपल, सटल, येट सो ग्रेसफुल. ये आपको ध्यान देना है every single day. You have to work on yourself that okay, how am I looking? Look at yourself in the mirror. Ask this question, am I looking beautiful, handsome? If yes, go ahead. If no, then work on it. ठीक है. Moving on to our second skill, which is how to communicate effectively at workplace. क्योंकि आप लोगों ने बोला आप लोग communication skills सीखना चाहते हो. I cannot teach you communication in just 20 minutes. We are left with 20 minutes. But yes, I can guide you. थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि कैसे forms of communication होते हैं, so that you get an idea कि future में आपको किस type से communicate करना है. तो for that, one, मेंटेन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी लैंग्वेज. आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो भी एक पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, लाइक योर जेस्चर्स, योर पोस्चर्स, द वे यू स्टैंड, द वे यू गिव अ स्माइल एंड ब्लिंक योर आईज, ये सब. Second, we have be a good listener. So some of you had written that they are good listeners, so that's excellent. ये होना चाहिए हमारे अंदर स्किल कि हम लोगों को सुने. And as such, God has given us 2 ears, 1 mouth. तो ज़्यादा सुनो, कम बोलो. Choose the right medium to communicate. So we'll be talking about different communication types after this. तो उसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी right medium क्या है. Be respectful. So even if somebody is younger to you, और पोजीशन में भी कोई आपसे कम है, ऑलवेज शो रिस्पेक्ट. व्हाट यू गिव इज व्हाट यू गेट. एंड बी क्लियर एंड कंसाइज. सो क्लियरली बोलो, अपनी बात को एक्सप्रेस करो. लेट्स जस्ट understand the 3 types of communications with the help of some videos. So I'll take you through this video. You have to identify कौन सा communication style best है. ठीक है. So I'm just playing a video for you. ये एक office scenario है. Let's say you've got selected in an office. So there are these 3 different communication styles. Listen to it quite carefully. I'm playing it for you.
Hi everyone, Priya, Rani, Shweta, I've already sent you a mail. Please make the PPT and send it to me by end of the day. Thanks. Hi guys, actually I started working on the PPT, so I've made the introduction. Maybe you guys can divide the rest of the slide. Who gave you the right to take the introduction? I'm gonna do it. Just because it's the easy one you took it, I know you very well. Don't act smart in front of me. I don't care if you've already done it. I will do better. No, you got me wrong. I happened to read the mail and I thought, why not start working on it since the deadline is so near? But if you want to work on it, go ahead. I just didn't want us to work on the same thing again. It's okay. I don't want the introduction. That's fine. I'll just take any other one. Whatever you give me, I'll
Okay. Did you understand something from the video? आवाज आ रही थी वीडियो में? Was it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What
ma'am.
did you understand? Very quickly. You have to just brief me.
Ma'am, the different ways people interact in an organization. Like
Yes.
one was interacting in a very humble way, one
Yes.
was very aggressive.
Correct. Very nice. और the third one, 3 थे, मतलब 3 categories है. Humble जो है उसको हम बोलेंगे assertive. Assertive is जैसे आप humble, confident way में बात कर रहे हो. Aggressive is गुस्से वाला. So I'll show you one another video. So actually the videos will take time, but I'll quickly show you just one video to make you understand this. Aggressive वाला दिखा रही हूँ, and then we'll understand the humble one.
Pooja, what is this behavior? I'm sorry, I kicked it by mistake. You can't kick it by mistake. Then pick it up if it bothers you. No, you will pick it up. You don't tell me what to do. I can tell you what to do. You do not tell me what to do. You do not tell me what to do. Or what? Are you going to hit me? Do you want it? I don't want it. You're asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back. Got it?
Okay, did you like this communication style?
No, ma'am.
No, why? Because more than communication, there was anger. It was more of an aggressive style जहाँ पे लड़ाई हो रही थी. It was not a healthy discussion, right? यही चीज अगर एक humble way में बोली जाती, assertive way में, polite way में, तो it would have been so different. Then there is one communication style. So I'll take you through the PPT ones. ये 3 styles है. One is passive, one is aggressive, one is assertive. As aggressive I have shown you. I'll take you through a video for passive one, and then we'll talk about assertive. ठीक है? So passive वाली एक video है. Just understand this with through help of a video. Listen very carefully, okay?
अरे मेरी भी एक ही परसेंट बैटरी है और अभी लगाया चार्ज इट्स ओके तू रख अप्लाई समझ
पर चाहिए था ना लर्न टू से नो है
अरे इट्स ओके उसको चाहिए रहेगा और वैसे भी जो कॉपी करती है
एहसास अभी भी ट्राइंग टू कॉल यू मेरे पास 10 रुपए है क्या है
यार 10 रुपए तो नहीं है 500 है मेरे पास
अर्जेंट चाहिए था यार
500
चलेगा ना
वो ठीक है रख ले 500 मैं फिर विड्रॉ करूँ
सब लोग चाय के बिना काफी स्ट्रेस्ड है प्लीज स्पेंड सम टाइम एंड एहसास हैव अ प्रॉब्लम लाइक क्लियरली टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ यू यार हम ऑफिस में बैठे चाय बना रहे हैं
अरे क्वाइट नॉर्मल मैं जिधर पहले काम करती थी ना उधर तो रोज बनाती तो मेरे को तो चलता है
आज नॉर्मल चाय मांगे कल को अदरक वाली मसाला चाय मांगे तो क्या करेंगे
अरे मजाक है क्या दिस इज तो क्लियरली क्रॉसिंग अ लाइन अरे मुझे इतना काम है मुझसे अदरक वाली चाय मांगेंगे तो मैं स्पष्ट मना कर दूंगी नो थोड़ी स्ट्रांग बना अदरक वाली मसाला चाय प्लीज yeah sure
Did you just
yes you want to join us tonight for session thanks
ऐसा साउंड भी एलर्जी टू सुशी ये तो एक और सुशी ले रही है अरे आउट ऑफ योर माइंड
I love sushi
यू नीड हेल्प ब्रो ऐसा सच में लव ऑफ माय लाइफ मैं तुमसे कितनी मोहब्बत करता हूँ इसका एहसास मुझे तब हुआ जब तुमने अपना इंस्टाग्राम डीएक्टिवेट किया साथ में तुम्हारे प्यार में इतना पागल हूँ मैं चलना मेरे लिए एहसास चलना मेरे गाने लग गया नारी में है
marriage show पर कहीं
नानी की कितनी तमन्ना है वो फोटो से खेलना चाहती है
ऐसा है क्या
शादी के बाद भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा I told you to say no, no. बिल्कुल मेरी बात no, please. तुझे कुएं में कूदने को बोला और तू कूद गई और मुझे साथ में कूदाया अबे ना नहीं बोल सकते थे क्या यार मुंडी लाना बंद कर थेरेपी पागल stupid
All right. Did you understand something from this video? Yes. Did you watch it carefully?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What was it? क्या समझ में आया? It's a very important concept. हमें जब तक चीजें नहीं पता होती हम गलत वे में communicate करते हैं and we just get into that zone कि कोई बात नहीं and no नहीं बोल पाते and then ultimately it's our loss. So, like exactly what did you understand? The message.
Ma'am,
Learn
that's
to say no.
sometimes
Sometimes.
And be confident. Because she was not that confident enough, so she couldn't say no. तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो lines draw करनी है ना, otherwise people will take advantage. So these are 3 styles of communication. 1, so we have discussed passive. Passive यही था जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाई वीडियो. Passive is when you are underconfident. जब आप चीज़ों को express नहीं कर पाते, whatever is going on in your heart and you are not able to speak clearly because you have a fear या कुछ भी आपको कोई चीजें रोक लेती हैं. Then the second one, so they fail to share their feeling, needs or opinions. Sometimes exhibit poor eye contact, slumped body posture. Aggressive, I showed you the video. Aggressive में क्या आता है? They try to dominate, criticize, blame or attack others. Act threateningly means डराते हैं, धमकाते हैं, and rudely aims to win. The third one is assertive. They state their needs and wants clearly and respectfully, listen well without interrupting. They have self-control. So, a very small video on assertive communication. Let's understand this.
Approaches to communication. A man is sitting across the table from his boss. His boss is explaining the task to be done. Click each scenario to view what happens. Scenario 1. Sanjeev, collate the quarterly sales report and send it to me by 2. I'm in a hurry here.
But sir, it's already 12. It will take me more than 2 hours to collate it. And I need to check it thoroughly before sending it to you.
Listen, I know that, but this is urgent. Don't you think I would give you more time if I could? Just get it done, please.
Yes, sir.
Scenario 2. Sanjeev, how are you placed today? Anything urgent?
I'm working on that proposal you gave me to work on yesterday.
Ah, good. I have something more urgent. The quarterly sales report. I need it by 2 o'clock.
But sir, it's already 12. It will take me more than 2 hours to collate it. And I need to check it thoroughly before sending it to you.
I know. But this is urgent. I need to send it to the head office.
I'll try to finish it, sir.
Tell you what, let's set a 2 o'clock deadline for the report. Come in with it and we can check it together. But your lunch will have to wait.
That's okay, sir. Lunch can wait. I'll get this back by 2.
Same task, same deadline. What happened next, do you think? The transcripts of the conversations in both scenarios are given here side by side. Certain portions of the conversations have been highlighted. Click each set of highlights to understand the two different styles of communication in the two scenarios. In the first scenario, the boss jumped straight to the point without any consideration. In the second scenario, however, the boss asked about his employee's current task and his availability. In scenario 1, the employee is immediately defensive, saying why he wouldn't be able to do the task in the given time. In scenario 2, the objection is the same, but the employee is more receptive. In scenario 1, by now the employee is probably feeling a sense of being treated unfairly. In scenario 2, however, the boss recognizes the challenge and makes a compromise where he is part of the solution. By mentioning the missed lunch, the boss shows that he also thinks about his employees' comforts.
For such many more
So,
effective
which
communication
one
learning,
did you like more, scenario 1 or scenario 2?
Scenario 2.
Scenario
मीन्स क्यों, कुछ रीजन तो लगा होगा ना दोनों में.
लीडरशिप स्किल्स अच्छी दिखाई सिनेरियो 2 में.
Also, communication was more effective. So,
Yes, ma'am.
effective communication comes with practice. वो one day में नहीं होगा कि if I'll teach you this और suddenly आपका communication एकदम excellent हो जाए. So, you have to practice every day. धीरे धीरे करके हो जाता है. So, this was all about communication. The last skill which we'll discuss, though we don't have much time, but I'll just brief you on it very quickly. This we have discussed. Any questions you have, you may ask. Else, just the last corporate etiquettes. Some etiquettes we'll not discuss about all etiquettes. Only one etiquette we'll do it today. Rest, अगर कभी offline session होगा या future में if we'll meet, I'll teach you more. What are etiquettes? What is etiquette? I'll just take you through it in another 5 minutes. We'll try and wrap
The
up.
way we respond.
Yes, your mannerism. आपकी तमीज, कैसे आप बोलते हो, कैसे बात करते हो, खाना खाते हो. There are so many etiquettes. We have travel etiquettes, meeting etiquettes, business etiquettes, we have washroom etiquettes, how we respond. Correct. Campus etiquettes. बहुत सारे etiquettes होते हैं. So today I have got some etiquettes for you. The etiquette is the customary code of polite behavior. Basically, the way you represent in the society among members of a particular profession or group. Okay? Etiquette refers to behaving in a socially responsible way. तो आप सोशली कैसे अपने आप को represent करते हो वो बहुत मैटर करता है. आपकी एक इमेज क्रिएट हो रही है. When people are observing you, just आपकी appearance से लेकर आपका way of eating, way of speaking, way of dealing with things, सब कुछ एक person की personality को reflect करता है. So for today, let's just talk about few dining etiquettes or eating etiquettes. So just few of them I have taken for you. I can teach you a lot more, but we don't have much time. So we'll wrap up in 5-7 minutes max. First, ये हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Again, आपको लगेगा ये हमारे कोर्स से कहाँ connected है? It is connected. जब आपकी जॉब लगेगी, you all have written कि आपके इतने अच्छे अच्छे dreams and desires हैं. You want to be financial analysts, managers. You want to go on big roles, right? I'm sure और फ्यूचर में आपके और भी बिग ड्रीम्स होंगे. यू माइट हैव अ ड्रीम टू बिकम द सीईओ ऑफ अ कंपनी, सीओओ. उसके लिए आपको आइडिया होगा कि बहुत सारे ऐसे टाइम होते हैं जब आपकी क्लाइंट मीटिंग्स होती हैं. यू गो आउट विद पीपल प्रोफेशनली, है ना, टीम लंचेस होते हैं. वहाँ पे अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि हाउ एम आई सपोज टू ईट, तो यू विल नॉट लुक डिसेंट. Because I have faced it, seen it practically, faced to nahi, seen. I went for a training in Punjab for 20 days. So there was a college, Chitkara University. A lot of trainers were there, like 20 people. Out of 20, there were 2 people who were not aware of these eating etiquettes, and we kind of found it so weird कि being trainers they don't know. हमने उनको judge किया. Although we should not judge people, but why it happens? Because we expect these basic things from adults. यही अगर आप बच्चे हो, गलती कर रहे हो, it's fine. Nobody will consider it as a big mistake. But when you are 18 plus, you are adults, people expect यार ये तो पता होना चाहिए, और नहीं पता हो तो problem है, because nobody will teach you all this, but they will just make fun of you. So I saw somebody who didn't know how to eat. That person was eating with his hands. That person was throwing food, like wasting food, and not having the basic eating etiquette. So I thought, let me take you through some of the eating etiquettes so that you have an idea next time when you are eating with people professionally. Even at home, try to eat it in a decent way, ताकि आप की इमेज ऐसी लगे कि एटलीस्ट यू आर अवेयर हाउ यू आर सपोज टू ईट. फर्स्ट, नेवर ब्लो ऑन योर सूप और फूड इवन इफ इट्स वेरी हॉट. क्यों ऐसा क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए? बिकॉज व्हेन वी ब्लो मीन्स फूक मारते हैं, all the germs which are there in your mouth, they go on that food or soup whatever you are eating. तो इससे क्या होता है, आप germs खा लेते हो, अपने मुंह के माउथ के germs. Sometimes mothers do this when they have young children, very small बच्चे होते हैं, they do it like they'll blow the milk and then give the milk to the child, which is wrong, because ideally we should not even blow on the cake which we cut, but it's a ritual, so we do it. But ideally we should avoid, but we should not blow in public. At least आप किसी प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग में गए हो तो फूक मार मार के नहीं पीना. If it's hot, keep it for a while, let it be little warm and then you can take it. चाय पीते हो, आज से मत किया करो. Don't blow your soup, your tea, coffee, anything you are eating. If you are a guest at a dinner, wait until the host takes his first bite, then you can eat. So sometimes we just go as guests and we start eating. We don't even wait for the host to sit with us. So if the host is hosting for you, you should first allow the host to sit and have the first bite and then you can eat. Then never intercept a pass. You'll just have to ask them to pass the basket to you. So suppose you are sitting on a round table, lot of people are around you, तो आपको ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए कि बार बार उठ के आपको नहीं लेनी चीजें. You can always ask for somebody to pass the bowl for you, to pass the dish for you, and you can keep sitting and ask somebody to pass the basket to you. This is very important. Don't waste food and water. Only take as much as you need and finish it all. So sometimes people don't bother, especially when they go on weddings and functions, they take too much in their plate and they waste half of the food. Never do this. Take less, eat it. If you need more, go for the second serving. But एक बार में उतना ही लो जितना आपको आइडिया है कि you can eat it. Don't waste it. It looks very indecent, and also you know कि how difficult it is to get food in our plate. तो हमें उसके लिए वैसे भी we should be grateful for what we have. We should not waste the resources. हम resources हमें कोई भी resources waste नहीं करने चाहिए. Whether it's water, it's food, it's paper, it's electricity. Be mindful of what you are doing. Then salt and pepper should be passed together. Even if someone asks for one, किसी ने बोला कि can you please pass the salt to me? Give salt and pepper both. किसी ने pepper मांगा, always give salt and pepper both. Don't just give one thing. And this last one, whenever you're finished with your meal, your knife and fork should be placed on your plate diagonally. तो ऐसे नहीं कि आप किसी भी वे में ऐसे रख रहे हो, मीन्स फोक ऐसे फेंक दिया, स्पून कहीं और रख दिया. It should be always in a proper way. So have you seen people in army? They are taught these kind of etiquettes. उन सबको सिखाया जाता है कि अगर आपका कोई सीनियर आ रहा है, first you should allow the senior to sit down. You should give the seat to your senior. And if you're sitting with your seniors, you should not even get up. जैसे आपका food finish हो गया, your senior is still eating, you should not immediately get up from your seat कि okay I'm done with it, and you should keep waiting. आपको wait करना चाहिए जब तक आपके senior ने finish नहीं कर लिया, या आपके साथ जो भी लोग बैठे हैं उन सब ने food finish नहीं किया. You should go together. And there are many more things, like you should not keep your food in mouth and then speak. कई लोगों की habit होती है, they just speak while eating. So if the food is in the mouth, sometimes in an interview they will purposely tell you to eat nuts and other things. और आपके mouth में nuts होंगे and they'll ask you a question to check whether you know this or not. तो आपको उस टाइम पे नहीं बोलना. First quickly eat it and then take a pause and then speak. So these are some very basic eating etiquettes. Now if you have any questions and answers, like you want me to answer, you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm done from my end. Thank you, everybody. It's your turn now. Whatever questions you have, you can ask. What all we have discussed so far? हमने क्या क्या discussion किया? Quickly, let's wrap up the session. Revise करते हैं. Yes, quickly. हमने क्या क्या discussion किया आज? How did we start the session? I started the session with a greeting. I said, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the session. Similarly, you should always start your day with greeting. कहीं भी जाओ, you should greet others. Whether they are your seniors, juniors, friends, you should greet. Second thing, हमने क्या किया? After greeting, what did we do?
Interaction and introduction.
Sorry, repeat it, please.
Interaction and introduction.
Yeah, we did an introduction exercise, just as a warm-up exercise to know each other. After introduction, what did we learn? I want everyone to participate. Others who are not participating, feel free, write down in the chat box and answer the question. After introduction, what did we do? Quick. I'm checking your listening skills, how attentive you were during the session. Yes?
One quality that you like in yourself.
Like? Yes, what skill
You
or
asked
soft skills?
one quality.
Correct. Priyanshu has written what soft skills are required for achieving our goal. Yes, which soft skills are required. So, what are soft skills needed in management? Yes, so what are soft skills? Can any one of you just quickly tell? क्या होते हैं soft skills? Yes, I told you what are soft skills.
So the skills a person carries, which is not directly influencing but indirectly playing a part in the person's personality or.
Correct, yes. Which are the non-technical skills, right? जो technical तो hard skills हैं आपके. Non-technical like communication, leadership, time management and various other skills. So in today's session, we discussed the top 3 skills. First one, हमने क्या discussion किया?
Appearance skill.
Appearance, the grooming and your overall body language appearance. Yes, grooming में क्या क्या आता है? What did I tell you? Quick recap. It's a rapid fire round. जो जल्दी बोलेगा will get 1 point. Quick.
Clothing and body language.
Yes, clothing में क्या क्या? What all did we discuss? I want someone else also to speak. Jaldi. Vipul is answering all questions. Yes. Anybody else? Shivani, would you like to try?
Ma'am, wearing suit, like coat, pant, color combination, contractions.
Correct, correct. Very nice, very nice. Reema, can you add on women के clothing में?
Formal, minimum jewelries.
Minimum like you can wear jewelry like 5 items just मैंने बोला,
Five
but don't overdo it. It
items.
should look decent enough. ठीक है. Then can we have an answer from Nishi Jha? Nishi, are you there? Okay, she's not there. Priyanshu, are you there? Vishesh,
Polished shoes and formal shirt and trousers.
करेक्ट, ठीक है.
That's
अच्छा, मुझे क्विकली ग्रूमिंग में और पॉइंट्स बताओ. द इमेज आई शोड यू, उसमें क्या क्या पॉइंट्स थे? हेड टू टो क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए? क्विक.
Clean shaved,
क्लीन शेप फॉर बॉयज, यस. और
hairstyle,
Iron shirt.
यस. टाइडी हेयर, यस. आयरन शर्ट. और कुछ?
White, not white socks. White socks are not
यस,
proper.
नॉट वाइट. यस, ठीक है, ठीक है. उसके
shoes
अलावा
और belt का combination होना चाहिए, same color होना चाहिए.
Compatible
Correct.
ties.
Perfect, very nice. ठीक है. After grooming, we also discussed about handshake. कैसे हमें एक warm smile होनी चाहिए, proper handshake होना चाहिए. We discussed about the second skill. Quickly, we are wrapping up with the second skill. We discussed what? Grooming, body language हो गया. Second हमने क्या बात की थी?
Eating and communication.
Way of talking,
हाँ, communication, right?
communication. Yes,
तो
sir. Yes,
communication में कितने styles हैं?
3 assertive, passive, and
Three
aggressive.
styles. Three.
What is okay? Can anyone else answer this? Arin, are you there? Arin? No? Okay. Shivani Gupta, can you just answer it if you know? Okay, Arin, can you tell quickly? Passive style of communication क्या होता है? Very quick. The time is already up. Just last 2 minutes. I'll just take your last 2 minutes. Arin, if you know passive, you can speak in your own way. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो, but just answer the question if you know. No, Aaron is not responding. You can write in the chat box maybe. Okay, Shivani, do you know what is passive style of communication? Lots of noise. So you should sit in a silent place. ठीक है. I can't open mic. ठीक है, no problem. You can write in the chat box. Shivani, do you know the passive aggressive? थोड़ा सा idea है? I showed you
यस
two
मैम. इन
videos.
पैसिव मतलब हमें ऐसा होता है कि हम चीजें सुनते हैं लेकिन हम नो नहीं बोल पाते. लाइक वी एक्सेप्ट
Correct.
इट.
Yes.
अग्रेसिव में भी डिसरिस्पेक्ट और मतलब डिसरिस्पेक्टनेस आ जाती है उसके अंदर, और हम लोग काफी ज्यादा एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं, दूसरे की बात नहीं सुनते हैं.
Correct. Correct. Very nice. And
Thank
which is the best style of communication?
द थर्ड वन.
Active style.
I just forgot it.
Okay. किसी और को याद है? The name of that?
Assertive.
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 Yes. So always have that assertive style of communication, जिसमें कि आप confidently बोल रहे हो, आप अपनी बात को clearly बोल रहे हो. At the same time, you're not rude and you are polite enough. आप rude भी नहीं हो, but आप ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई आपको dominate कर पाए. ठीक है? Then after communication, we discussed the third skill. It's not a skill, it's something very important day to day life में भी आपके help करेगा. हमने क्या बात की? The last topic. Very quickly, you have to just answer.
Etiquettes.
Etiquettes.
Eating
Very
etiquette.
important topic, क्योंकि ये आपकी पूरी personality के बारे में बताते हैं कि what kind of a person you are. So what are etiquettes? Etiquettes क्या होते हैं हमारा?
How we do different things in a
Manners.
society.
Mannerism,
Basic
yes.
manners.
Our behavior, mannerism and all. So quickly, let's wrap up the dining etiquettes. हमने आज इसी पे बात की. If you want to learn more, you can have other sessions with me, and then वहाँ पे हम और etiquettes and और चीज़ों पे discuss करेंगे. Just tell me any 4 eating etiquettes, and we are just done with the session. One by one, मतलब एक जना एक etiquette. Vipul, you can tell the first one. Okay, Rima, you tell the first one.
Don't blow the food.
Yes, never blow the food, the food, soup, any hot item, because क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए?
Germs get transferred to the food.
Perfect. Yes. Good. Vipul, you can tell the second point.
Always take as much as you eat. Never waste your food or water.
Correct. ठीक है. Nitish.
Seniors को रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए, या जो गेस्ट है उनको रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए.
Okay. Shivani.
मैम जब हम लोग खाना खत्म मतलब जब हमने खाना खा लिया है वी शुड कीप द नाइफ और द स्पून डायगनली ऑन द प्लेट.
Yes, absolutely. So others, I cannot see you. Your videos are still not on. That's fine. So if you have any other query, any doubts, you can ask. We are done with the session. Before we wrap up, I would like to know how was it? Did you learn something new? You can give a feedback in the chat box. Write something how you are feeling about the session. Anything you liked, you disliked, whatever you want to write. Be honest and write. Nobody will judge you again. And anything else you want to ask from me, you can feel free to ask. This was just an introductory session. So if you want to learn more things, then obviously we'll have to have more such sessions. It was a very knowledgeable session. Thank you, Rima. It's good to know that you've gained something from the session. Very informative. Aman has written, learned new things, enjoyed a lot. Thank you, Aman, for the feedback. Nitish has written, amazing session. Thanks, Nitish. Drishti, session was informative. Okay, I'm glad to know that आप लोगों के लिए कुछ new information मिली आपको. Vipul has written, great session for personal grooming. Okay, great. Thank you, Vipul. Shivani, it was a great interaction with you, ma'am. All points will help us in future. Yes, I really hope so कि ये points आपको lifetime help करें. I want that you apply these things in your daily life. Vishesh has written, interactive session. Priyanshu, insightful session. Arin, I have learned a lot from it. Thank you so much, everybody, for these feedbacks, for your inputs, for interacting with me. Even I enjoyed a lot teaching you these skills in just a short span. So it was lovely interacting with all of you. Still, if you have any queries, you can ask. From my end, the session is over. But अगर आपका कोई doubt है, कुछ पूछना है, कुछ बोलना है, anything you just want to say, you want to add on, you are free to do that. Else we'll end the class.
मैम क्लीन शेव रखना नेसेसरी है इंटरव्यू
No,
के
it's
टाइम.
not that necessary. See, again, अब सर्च होते हैं जो उनके लिए तो अलाउड भी नहीं होता. But you should look tidy enough. ऐसा नहीं है कि हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल है, बट इट शुड नॉट बी समथिंग जो बहुत आपके फेस पे अगर वो सूट कर रहा है, आपने डिसेंटली थोड़ा सा बियर्ड रखा है, दैट्स फाइन. But if it is looking really bad, if it's looking shabby, then definitely means obviously clean shave looks better. Preference would be that, but अगर कोई genuine reason है कि you can't do it, it's still okay, provided you know how to carry it, right? So
Okay.
Aaron has written, will you take this session in future also? Aaron, yes, I can take depending on how things will go in future. अगर opportunity मिली आप लोगों के साथ, I'll surely take a session in future, and we can discuss on other topics also. We have a lot of topics in soft skills. Soft skills is very vast. It's not that simple कि एक दिन में कुछ मैंने बताया और हो जाएगा. So it's more like ocean की तरह vast है. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं उसमें, practice चाहिए. So we need time for it. It was a very short session, so I could just teach you this much. But long sessions में we can have more discussions probably. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
today's session. I
It
hope.
was a pleasure having you here, ma'am. And
Thank you
I
so much. It's
see
my
the
pleasure.
exuberance and the enthusiasm that has been brushed on to the students, and hopefully, they will learn, and they have learned a lot, and they will adapt it also. And of course, we would always look forward for your future sessions also. In
Thank you
future,
so much.
it will be
Yes.
always better to have it in person or in live sessions like this also, as it suits you, because you
Yes.
might be very hard pressed with the time. And thanks once again for
Thank
you
you. Thank you.
engage the students, and it was really engaging. Everyone has enjoyed a lot, learned a lot, and students, there is a lesson for the life. You better imbibe all those lessons, whatever ma'am has told, and continuously in the next session also, as students are very eager to see ma'am amongst us. We look forward to such more sessions, ma'am. Thank you very much, and have a good
Sure.
week.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants, for showing your patience and for your time. It was nice interacting with you. We'll see you soon again in future. So you can enjoy your weekend now. Thank you. So I'm just
Thank you,
leaving
ma'am.
the.
We can. Okay.
Thank you. Take
Switching
care.
off
Have a
from you, ma'am.
nice day. Yeah. Have a
Thank
nice
you, ma'am.
day. All right. Enjoy.